Oh my God, it's Alex Choi, everybody! I got a bunch of can't see a goddamn thing, and I bet neither can he.
Goddamn it, neither can we. Come on, Troy, can we get a wall stop? I know you can do it, baby.
How many of you know who Alex Choi is? That's what I'm talking about. And for those who don't, he's just some dude that has a Lamborghini. Throwing the bad boy in reverse. Oh my Lord. Give it up for Alex Choi in this beautiful, pearlescent, purple Lamborghini! All right, ladies and gentlemen, you know, I need one person.